Hello friends, dear students and teachers. First of all, Happy Dashera to one and all. Happy Dashera to all my viewers, all my students and all my mentors who had given me guidance to be what I am today. So Happy Dashera to one and all. Here in this session, we are going to discuss about the reduced syllabus in Standard 9 Mathematics. Especially, that is, Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board has reduced the syllabus of all the standard by about 30% just because of this COVID-19 situation. So in that situation, Mathematics Standard 9 syllabus is also reduced by about 30%. What are the topics of the chapters which are excluded from the syllabus? Especially if I would like to say, then I can say the teacher has to teach all topics, but these topics will not include in the examination. This is what we already discussed. So those topics which are included and those topics which are not included in academic year 2020-21 examination, that I'm going to discuss over here. Standard 9 mathematics has total 15 number of chapters. So this video will become too long if I will explain each and every topic in detail with textbook. So I have divided the entire video in 3 parts. So this is part 1 which you are looking. Next part also we'll see within short time period. So you can tick mark with your textbook that which are the topics which are included in the syllabus and those topics which are excluded from the syllabus. So students and teachers, just take your textbook in your hand. I will represent this screen in which only the reduced portion I have written, but those topics which are included that I will discuss. So you can tick mark in your textbook. So let us begin with it. I will share the screen with you, in which you can see which are the topics which are excluded from the syllabus. I hope you are able to see the screen. A little bit make it zoom. Okay, let us begin. Reduced syllabus for academic year 2020-21 standard 9 subject mathematics. This original circular is in Gujarati that I have translated in English for the English medium students. So if you have any queries, then you can check this copy along with the original circular, because original circular which is in Gujarati is the authentic one. This is the translation done by myself for the English medium students. So let us begin. In this first part of this video, we are going to discuss, there are total number of 15 chapters are there in Mathematics Standard 9. So I will divide each video or each 3 parts in chapter number 1 to 5, chapter number 6 to 10 and chapter number 11 to 15. So in this video, we are going to discuss from chapter number 1 to 5. Let us begin with chapter number 1. Here I have mentioned serial number, means the chapter number, chapter name, and reduced syllabus topic I have mentioned, but along with that, I will discuss those topics which are included. So you can take your textbook and your pen and tick mark what I'm discussing here. Let us begin chapter number 1, number system. This number system chapter is begin in which 1.1, it is an introduction part. So this introduction part is included, tick mark that included part with the right mark and excluded part with the cross mark. So you can understand which are the topics which are included and which are excluded. Number system, chapter number 1, 1.1 introduction is included, means all the topics which are included, that is chapter number 1, 2 and 3. Those are the topics which are included in this chapter. After that, page number 3, you can see example 1. It is also included. Are the following statements are true or false? This example 1 is included. Page number 4, example 2. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. This example with the solution is excluded. Example 2 is excluded. Example 1 is included. Page number 5, exercise 1.1 is whole exercise included. Nothing is excluded from this. On the same page, page number 5, 1.2, irrational numbers. This topic is included, in which the basic introduction is given. This part is included. But in this same, on page number 7, example 3, page number 7, example 4, both the examples are excluded. Take care what I am telling, which are included and which are excluded. Carefully tick mark. Page number 8, exercise 1.2. In that, point number 1, or I can say sum number 1 is included, and sum number 2, 3, and 4 is a classroom activity. This 2, 3, and 4 are excluded. You can see here I have mentioned exercise 1.2, sum number 2, 3 are excluded, along with this 4, that is activity 4, which is constructing square root spiral. Figure 1.9, constructing square root spiral. Constructing square root spiral is excluded. So in this exercise 1.2, only question number 1 you have to prepare. 2, 3, and 4 has to be excluded for this year. I already discussed example 2 and 3 are excluded. Other examples will come in later part. As we discussed, 2, 3, and 4 are excluded. Now on the page number 8 itself, 1.3, real numbers and their decimal expression. This topic is included, in which the introduction part is included, but example 5 on page number 9 is excluded. Same way, go further. Page number 11, example 6 is included. You can see the excluded example are 2, 3, 4, and 5. It means 1 and 6 are included. And all the following to this 6 will be included except 11 and 12. Let us begin, or let us go ahead. Page number 11, example 6 is included. On the same page, example 7 included. Example 8 included. Page number 12, example 9 included. Page number 13, example 10 included. As well as exercise 1.3, sum number 1, 2, and 3 are included. So I hope you understand here. That is example 5 excluded. Example 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 are included. Along with exercise 1.3, question number 1, 2, and 3 are included. While question 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that is sum number 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 of exercise 1.3 is excluded from the syllabus. 1, 2, and 3 is included. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are excluded. Let us go further. Page number 15, 1.4, representing real numbers on the number line. This is the entire topic excluded. You can see representation of real numbers on the number line. It is representing real numbers on the number line. Exercise 1.4. Before that, come on page number 16, example 11 in this same topic is excluded. Page number 18, exercise 1.4, whole exercise is excluded. You can see exercise 1.4, whole exercise excluded. Then next 1.5, operations on real numbers. This is a topic in which example 12 is excluded, as we discussed. Example 2, 3, 4, 5, 11, and 12 are excluded. So this example 12 is on page number 18. It is excluded. But on page number 19, example 13, 14, and 15, which is included. Furthermore, page number 22, example 16, and example 17 included. Page number 23, example 18, example 19, example 20 included. But Exercise 1.5 whole exercise is excluded. It means sum number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all are excluded from the syllabus. 1.5 you can see. Exercise 1.5 whole exercise is excluded. But the examples that we discussed 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20 are included. On same page number 24, 1.6 laws of exponent for real numbers. This is important topic in which page number 26 example 21 is included, and exercise 1.6 all questions 1 to 3 is included. So whole exercise 1.6 is included on page number 26. I hope you have tick mark all the topics which are included, and these are the topics which are excluded. That is example 2, 3, 4, 5, 11, 12. Constructing square root spiral. Sum number 2 and 3 of exercise 1.2. 1.4, that topic we have already discussed. That topic name is representing real numbers on the number line. Here something I have written little bit different, but this is a topic that is representing real numbers on number line, because I have translated. So this translation, it is the same thing, but little bit translation is different. So the original, which is given on page number 15, 1.4 representing real numbers on the number line is the main topic. Exercise 1.4 and exercise 1.5 whole exercise is excluded, and 1.5 operations on the real numbers is also excluded. So this is all about chapter number 1. Now let us go ahead. That is chapter number 2. Chapter number 2, the name of the chapter is polynomials. That is on page number 28. 2.1 introduction part is included. 2.2 on the same page, polynomials in one variable included. All the details of it is included. Page number 30, example 1 is included. Page number 32, exercise 2.1 whole exercise is included. All the sums 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of exercise 2.1 is included. Page number 32, 2.3 zeros of a polynomial. This topic is included. In it, page number 32 itself, example 2 is included. Page number 33, example 3, example 4. Page number 34, example 5, all are included. But in exercise 2.2, question number 1, 2 and 4 are entirely excluded. You can see exercise 2.2, question number 1, 2 and 4 are excluded. But in question number 3, subtopics 1, 2, 3 and 4 are included, while in sum number 3, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are excluded. So I hope you understand. Exercise 2.2, question number 1, 2, 3. In 3, 1, 2, 4 are included, while 5, 6, 7 and 8 of question number 3 and question 4 all are excluded. That is 1, 2, 3 and 4. In 3, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are excluded. So in this exercise 2.2, you have to prepare only question number 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then afterwards on page number 35 itself, you can see 2.4 remainder theorem. This is included. But in that also, the example 6 on page number 36 is excluded. You can see I have mentioned here example 6 is excluded. Page number 38, example 7 is excluded. Page number 38, example 8 is excluded. Page number 39, example 9 and 10 are included. Page number 40, exercise 2.3 whole exercise is included. On same page, 2.5 factorization of polynomials. This is an included topic. On the same page, example 11 is included. On page number 41, example 12 is included. Example 13 is included. Page number 42, example 14 is included. Page number 43, example 15 is included. Exercise 2.4, question number 1, 2, 3, and 4 are included. While you can see exercise 2.4, question number 5 is excluded. Page number 44, algebraic identities. In that tick mark identity 1, 2, 3, 4 on page number 44 is included. You have to prepare this. These are the formulas you have to prepare for even standard 10th. It is very much useful. Prepare all these identities in a form of formula. Example 16 on page number 44 is included. Page number 45, example 17, example 18 included. On page number 46, again identity 5 is included and the sums related to this identity, example 19, 20 and 21 is also included. Page number 47, identity 6, identity 7 are included. On the same page number 47, example 22 and example 23 are also included. On page number 48, example 24 is also included. But the identity 8 is excluded, as they have mentioned. Identity 8 based sums or examples are excluded. But if you will see the discrepancy, then example 25, they have taken into included portion. And that is related to the same identity 8. Means you have to prepare example 25 especially because it is not mentioned in the excluded topic, which is related to this identity 8. But identity you have to prepare. Its related sum will not be asked in the exam. But in that also example 25 you have to prepare. Then let us go ahead. That is exercise 2.5. Question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On page number 48 and 49, these are included. But exercise 2.5, 8 to 16 sums are excluded. You can see here. That is on page number 49, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and on page number 50, 16 sum. All this from 8 to 16, all these are excluded from the examination. Exercise 2.5, sum number 8 to 16. You have to prepare 1 to 7. Let's go ahead. Page number 51, coordinate geometry. This is the entire chapter included, means nothing is excluded from this chapter. And it is quite easy. Students, prepare it well. You will get full marks. It is related to graph. And you must learn about how to plot the graph. You have to understand the basic about x-axis, y-axis, and coordinate 1, 2, 3, 4, as well as how to put the points on a graph paper in all 4 different quadrants that is shown in this chapter. That is chapter number 3, coordinate geometry. So this entire chapter is included. Let us go ahead. Chapter number 4, linear equations in 2 variables. That is on page number 66, in which 4.1 introduction part is included. On same page, 4.2 linear equations. This is also included. Page number 67, example 1 included. Page number 68, example 2 included. And on the same page, exercise 4.1, whole exercise is included. On the same page, 4.3, solution of linear equations is also included. This is an included topic in which page number 69, example 3 and example 4 are included. And on page number 70, whole exercise 4.2 is included. All the sums 1, 2, 3, 4 are included. On same page number 70, 4.4, graphs of linear equation in two variable. This is a topic which is included with the basic things you have to understand about the graph of the linear equation. But the detailed things, that is page number 71, example 5 is excluded. I have mentioned here example 5 is excluded, which is on page number 71. On page number 72, example 7 excluded, you can see. On same page 72, example 7 is also excluded. On 73, example 8 is also excluded. Means example 5, 6, 7, 8 are excluded that I have mentioned here. Page number 74, exercise 4.3, whole exercise is excluded. Means you have not to prepare for exercise 4.3 for the examination. Page number 75, topic 4.5, equations of lines parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. I have mentioned here, you can see here, 4.5 equations of lines parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. This entire topic is excluded, but they have not mentioned about example 9. You can see they have mentioned only 5, 6, 7, and 8. This example 9, in which solve the equation 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 and represent the solution on the number line and the Cartesian plane. As per my point of view, you can solve this equation easily, as you have already learned in the earlier exercise, but the Cartesian plane expression you have not learned. But at least prepare this example 9 because they have not mentioned it is excluded. The representation on the number line, that also you have learned in the previous standard. So this example 9 at least you have to prepare, as they have not mentioned it in the excluded part. Exercise 4.4, whole exercise is excluded. So in this chapter 4.5 point, that is equations of line parallel to the x-axis and y-axis excluded. Exercise 4.3 whole and exercise 4.4 whole exercise excluded. It means exercise 4.1 and 4.2 you have to prepare. 4.3 and 4.4 you have not to prepare. Example 5, 6, 7, and 8 are excluded. Means example 1 to 4 and 9 at least you have to prepare. Let's go ahead. Chapter number 5. Introduction to Euclid's geometry. Page number 78, 5.1, introduction. This introduction part you have to prepare. Page number 80, 5.2, Euclid's definitions, axioms, and postulates you have to prepare. Page number 82, postulate 1, a straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other point. Included. Axiom 5.1, given two distinct points, there is a unique line that passes through them. Included. Postulate 2, a terminated line can be produced indefinitely. Included. Postulate 3, 4, 5, also included. I'm not reading them. Page number 83, example 1 is also included. Page number 84, example 2 is also included. Page number 85, theorem 5.1, two distinct lines cannot have more than one point in common. This is also included. But on page number 85, exercise 5.1, the entire exercise, out of them, question number 1, 2, 3 are included. But in the same exercise 5.1, as I have mentioned here, sum number 4 to 7, that is 4, 5, 6, and 7 on page number 86 is excluded from this exercise 5.1. On page number 86 itself, 5.3, equivalent versions of Euclid's fifth postulate is excluded. But on page number 87, example 3 is included. On page number 88, exercise 5.2, whole exercise is excluded. So I hope you have understood that in chapter number 5, Introduction to Euclid's Geometry, 5.3 equivalent versions of Euclid's fifth postulate is excluded. Other postulate, theorem, and axiom you have to prepare. Exercise 4, 5.1, sum number 4 to 7 are excluded. It means sum number 1, 2, and 3 of exercise 5.1 you have to prepare. And this exercise 5.2 whole exercise is excluded from the syllabus. In next portion, we will discuss other chapters 6 to 10, that is in part 2. So I hope in chapter number 1 to 5 of standard 9 mathematics, what are the topics which are included and which are excluded that I have discussed. Today is a Sunday as well as Dashera, so enjoy your day. In part 2, we'll discuss from chapter number 6 to chapter number 10. And in part 3, we'll discuss chapter number 11 to chapter number 15, in which those topics which are included and those topics which are excluded. Thank you so much.